Hello Panthers, this is Mr. Hernandez the Tech Teacher, and welcome to our Quarter 3, Week 7 CodeSpark activity. This is for kinders all the way to 5th grade, all students. Let's go to my website to get started. Panthers, we're here at my website. We want to scroll down to our CodeSpark button, click on CodeSpark. I already have it ready up here, but you click on it and it opens up. If you've never been to CodeSpark ever, you need to ask for my help to go in and put in a code. All of you students who have done this already the last few weeks, press on the green button. We want to look for your class. I have my class. I have all the classes showing up here, but you look for yours and look for your name, please. Please, please, please. Be patient. Take your time. Don't click on the wrong student, right? You have all the kids from your grade level. I'm going to click on my practice student. I'm using my 4th grade one as an example. Let it load. Click on my coins. Every time you go back in, you get some coins. Now again, if you made a mistake and you pick the wrong student, click on your avatar and press this switch. Also, if you haven't updated your avatar, you can go ahead and click on the old avatar and have fun making a new one. But in this video, I want to talk about the platformer game mode. The first week we did CodeSpark, I let you explore. The second week, I really asked you to go into the puzzles, which is down here, right? And the idea with the puzzles is you get stars and coins. The coins are able to buy you things in the store so that you can add them to things like the platformer. And so I'm going to click on platformer and let's see what this account shows me. All right, and so I can go to learn and learn the ways of how to do this. I strongly recommend, if you haven't ever done platformer, you do this first. Otherwise, you can press new. There's also other fun examples down at the bottom created by other CodeSpark users from around the country. But anyhow, I'm going to click on new. It's going to create a project. And so if you've never done platformer, it's pretty much like making your own Super Mario worlds. And the idea is you're going to use a combination of the blocks that are down below in this toolbar, and you want to get to the star. And so how do you do this? Well, you're in edit mode right now. You know it because it shows the edit features down below, and if you press play, you're going to play your level. And so we want to go to the backpack, and we want to open it up, and then we just want to put some blocks, okay? And be creative. Like again, if you've never played Super Mario, the idea is you're jumping in a 2D world from left to right, getting to one point to the other point, in other words, the star. And so in this star, we want it to go a little further away, okay? And so the idea is you want to put obstacles, you want to put challenges, okay? You want to make this fun and yet challenging for friends to do, okay? And so I'm just making this really basic, okay? Try not to take too long. There we go. We can even adjust some of these things. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And I made a copy. Yay! You guys are going to figure this stuff out really fast and easy. I'm going to stretch him out. And notice that whenever I click on some of these items in this world, you get the coding blocks features that show up, okay? And even myself, I'm starting to learn some of these features and buttons, and you can click and drag and start exploring what some of these things do. I'll leave it to you, because again, I'm kind of learning and I'm a little bit rusty. But again, remember those coins you bought? If you go to this basket and you have enough coins, you can start buying certain things and elements, characters, items to add. I'm going to add this scary little tree guy. I'm going to go back here. And look, they tell you all the new things that you're able to get with your coins. Let's press back. And now let's add this tree guy. And now look, notice this tree guy falls into the category, I think, as a movable villain. And so the idea is I'm going to put him in spots that makes it challenging for me. Yes, and then when you're ready, push play. And you got to use your arrows. Up is for jump, or spacebar too, I believe. And left is left, right is right. You can also use WASD. Look what happens. Oh, I lose if I hit one of those guys. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. If you press the share button on the bottom right hand corner, the idea is that now, and you gotta spend some of your coins, you gotta give it a game type, press the check mark. Your game will be able to be shareable. Now, how do you share this game with friends? Well, you gotta play it again, okay? Load it. Here's my character. Ah! Oh no. Am I not going to make my own level? There we go. And so here's the idea. You get the share button. I think I might have missed it on the other screen. My bad. But anyhow, you click on share. And you got a link and you could send it to someone. Or there's a code somewhere. Bear with me as I find the code. I'm going back to platformer and I'm going to my levels. Where are my levels? Saving project. Ah, here are my drafts. This is where I wanted to get to. This is my world. Sorry for the length of this. If you feel like you're ready and set to play, go for it. There we go. I made a perfect score that time. Let's go to share again. Edit your game before sharing. I already did. Well, Panthers, I'm not going to spend too much more, but there is a way to share this. And when I figure it out, maybe I'll send an updated video. Maybe it'll be in next week's video, all right? I don't want to take too much more of our time. But Panthers, this is Q3, Week 7 CodeSpark activity for the week. You're going to have fun making your levels. I can't wait to see them. All right? See you in class. Bye for now.